Screen4 on Windows 7 in this case. Does this sound familiar? The menu icons work fine, but as soon as you click on the menu bar, the thing freezes faster than a T1000. To fix this, close out Screen4 by way of either Ctrl-Alt-Delete or by waiting about 13 seconds for it to thaw out. Then close. Go to the Screen4 execute file or the shortcut. Right click, Properties, go to Compatibility and tick on Disable Desktop Composition. And you should be good to go. Hope this helps. I'll be back.